Okay, so what a mission to try and make this video. I think it's been 3, 4 days, 5 days trying to get all the footage for this video. Just all sorts of shit happened, bit of work, bit of muck around getting the machine there. Started off Monday missing some paperwork to release the machine. Tuesday I think we couldn't get a transporter, but I was over there anyway, so I got some shots. And got, I got one of the guys inducted there while I was there. So that was alright, didn't work out too bad. Then Wednesday went in, got the machine there, and got everything running, humming, pumping. But then while I had John there from Woodsman, he showed me the new program and a couple of things I thought would be good at a couple of other crews. So me and John shot around and done that, so I didn't finish the video then. So just shot back now, and half the footage you've probably seen in this video, I don't know where it's going to stack up in the video as from today. So, but yeah, all in all, well, video, I don't know how it's going to work out. It's all good. Hummer of a machine, that 336. That machine hums. I enjoy driving that machine. The big rear entry woodsy cab. But a brief look at the cab. You can see your vision. It's pretty damn wicked. footage, you can see how much you can actually see in there. It's pretty good. So yeah, so that sits at the KPP. Now the KPP, they process all our stems, short stems, you know, anything, what's a stem? From stem crew, anything over 16 meters goes straight on a stem truck, goes to the KPP, and they process it there. And the short stems go there, anything under 16 meters that they can get a short, they can get a saw log out of, goes in there, and our boys on that KPP processor, they cut it all up. So that machine there will be perfect for them. Yeah, so the logs come off the stem trucks, you know, the full stems come off the stem trucks, go through the mill, get graded, all sorts of shit, and then they pop out the other side, and all the loaders shift them around to their stacks. It's pretty cool how they track those logs right through the end there, and they just pop off at the end in the right spot. Loaders just come through, grab them, stack them, load them on the trucks, and they either go to mills or down to the rail for export or whatever. So yeah, it's a pretty cool setup in there. Pretty cool to have a machine in there. Ron for having a machine in there cutting up his short stems. Their short stems. So it works out good. The boys got a real nice machine in there now. So that's awesome for them. Shit, other than that, I don't know, maybe we'll make a proper video on the KPP another day. I just got a couple of quick shots there. Try and wrap this video up. It's been a long week trying to make it. So, long weekend this weekend, so I'll try and get these videos out. There's two. I don't know which one's going to come out first, but I might just put them both out this weekend at some stage. But yeah, good to be back making videos. Hopefully more to come. Okay, next one.